Welcome to this section on data analysis and data management. This is the Excel workbook which we can see now. We will be using this workbook throughout this section. You can just download this from the link given in the description of this video. So technically, if you do anything in Excel, it will fall under data analysis and data management. For instance, inserting a simple chart to represent your data, this is a form of data analysis. And moving data around, editing it, can be called as data management because we are managing our data the way we want it to be. So technically we have already done a lot of these things in previous tutorials and some of them might repeat here, but there will also be some new things which we will learn in this tutorial and in next coming tutorials. But for this section, I am going to be a little specific about data management and data analysis.